Okay, so today we're going to make this moon and stars wall art, and you can get the template for free on our website, ideas2idit.com. So you can just go there and download it for free, and then you can make it along with me. Mine is made out of wood, but you could easily do this out of cardboard as well. And I'll show you how to get this galaxy paint for the moon, and then the stars are just silver. So let's get to it. Okay, so today we're going to make the moon and stars. Okay, so here they are all cut out. I'll take off the paper pattern and give them a quick sand. Okay, so I've recruited Chris to drill some holes in the stars for us. So show us the star. So these are the ones that are going to be hanging down. So he's going to just drill a hole through there that we can then put some fishing line through. Okay, so we've got this small hole that the fishing line will fit through, and then we'll be able to hang them. Okay, so we're going to start painting the moon, and I'm using just dollar store acrylic paint, dark blue, a teal color, kind of a turquoisey color, and some black. So what I'm going for here is a nice dark blue, almost into the black. Then you're going to see I'm going to start mixing some of those colors right on the piece to get a nice blend. And I will do the sides after I'm done this part. Okay, I'm going to bring some of that brighter blue back in. And I'm just trying to keep that edge from forming a line. So I've got lots of water. Then I'm just going to thin that paint out almost like a water paint or a stain and start pulling that around. Lots of water, keep everything going. Now, just while everything is still wet, I'm going to grab some of that lighter teal color. Just pull some of that in. Shit, I got some of the black. Wipe that off, grab my teal again, and we're just going to start trying to build some of that brighter color there. See how easy that was to fix? And the whole goal is I just don't want any big lines. And then I'm gonna come in with my lightest one, just a smidge here, just to bring some of that brightness. And we'll go back and play around with these colors too. This is just the base coats. Okay, so I painted the stars silver. And I did just a slight black wash over the moon. And now I'm going to do just some quick little splatters to kind of mimic stars. So I'm just watering down some of the silver paint. So I've just got it watered down, and I'm going to just flick to mimic some of the stars. Okay, so I used one of those little eye screws to put in the top to hang it from, and now I've got my little star that I'm going to dangle from here. Got the hole that went across, piece of fishing line fed through it, and now I'm just going to feed that up. Okay, so I used one of these little screw eye hooks to put into there to hang it from, and then I just strung my little star from the hole that we drilled using fishing wire, and now I'm just going to add the other two down here. So I'll also put another one of these screw things in. You just twist them in by hand, and then we'll attach the stars. Okay, so this is the finished piece. I'm really happy with it. You can see the moon has got the different shades of blue with the silver stars. And you can see all the little splatters I did on the moon. It really does look like the galaxy. And then we've got our silver stars hanging out. And I'm really happy with it. I think it looks fantastic. So again, you can go to our website, ideas2ididit.com, and download the template for free and make this yourself. Thanks for watching.